DJI's smallest action camera ever is here. The Osmo Nano brings modular design back to challenge the Insta360 Go3S at $369. But does smaller mean better? Let's dive into the specs and real-world performance. The Osmo Nano marks DJI's return to modular design, similar to the Action 2. Key specs: ultra-compact form factor specifically targeting content creators who need discrete POV shots, modular accessories including detachable display, magnetic mounting system, and professional-grade video capabilities packed into DJI's smallest action camera footprint. Available in 64GB and 128GB storage variants. Performance-wise, the Osmo Nano directly competes with the Insta360 Go3S in the ultra-compact action camera segment. The modular design offers superior versatility over traditional fixed form factor competitors. Early reports suggest professional-grade video recording capabilities with DJI's signature stabilization technology. The magnetic mounting system provides secure attachment points for various shooting scenarios. Pricing strategy is aggressive. $369 for 64GB, $399 for 128GB, directly matching the Insta360 Go 3S price points. This positions DJI competitively in the premium ultra-compact segment. The modular ecosystem approach could justify the premium over basic action cameras. Target market: content creators prioritizing portability without compromising video quality. Launch date: September 23, 2025, after being pushed from the original September 15th date. The Osmo Nano represents DJI's strategic move into the ultra-compact segment dominated by Insta360. Early indicators suggest solid engineering and competitive positioning. Worth considering if you need maximum portability with professional features. Are you planning to upgrade your action camera setup? Drop your current gear and use cases in the comments. Subscribe for more detailed tech reviews and hit the notification bell for launch day coverage.